It does have a little tick, but...
Tick? You didn't hear when I passed by?
No. Oh.
A lot of smoke. I just blew it up.
$700 G35. Running and driving. Come get it for $1,000 today.
$1,500.
$1,500.
Oh, look, no check engine light, and the engine is knocking. Oh my god, bro. Wow.
Oh, wait. I can't see the coast.
Hey, look at the rotors, bro. All the rust came off.
Tire's flat.
No, it's not. It's just the angle of the dangle.
How you feel, big dog?
Great, look. This is the best part. Wait.
What'd you do in the last video? The ooh la la.
That was actually I think it was hail damaged.
Do that again? Do that again?
And the hood, look. You got like giant ass vents. See it?
Oh yeah.
That's why they did this Mako ass paint job.
Wait, who the fuck put that on there?
Oh,
That was you.
Oh, there. Yeah,
Oh man, that's crazy. And nigga, all you did was put a battery in it.
let's go for a ride. Don't mind the quick release.
Oh shit, something got my ass.
Just me. And look how you had to put it in park. Because if not, it just costs you now.
Because the transmission's working.
Look, do you feel any slippage?
No?
I just hear motor clanking.
I can tell you're a whole lot more happier with this one than the Black Z.
Yeah, because this one, look, no check engine light, bro.
That's fucking crazy. With
I couldn't get the check engine light off the one without the blown motor.
She needs a bath now. Oh, my fault. I'm in your... Oh, my fault. Dude, this is crazy.
I'm ready for this bitch. Drive around until it blows.
See? Told you off the damn thing. Hold on.
What the fuck? I'm definitely gonna crash into something back in here.
Alright, let me get out.
Oh, did I tell you the AC works?
No way.
Yeah. Me and Lisa were in here for like an hour yesterday.
What were y'all doing?
It's too small to do anything. Close the door, bro.
I don't feel nothing. Oh, there we go. What the fuck?
Gyrating. What?
AC actually works in this bitch, bro. There's no fucking way. This is
we had to
700
turn it off,
bucks.
bro. We were cold, bro.
700 bucks.
Could be yours for $1,500.
Just no test drives. Now she's going back into her spot. Come on. Straight back. Straight back. I said straight back, not straight forward. Fuck is that noise? You're good. Yo, real quick, hold on. Have you seen how much oil this fucking thing has been pissing out on the floor?
No.
Oh, you won't be able to get out on the thing. That's been there? No, like this is oil.
Bro, for a Nissan, that's nothing.
Oh, fuck.
I love this car. Fun. I think I like it more than my 370.
For real?
Look, I can actually sit down.
Damn. All right. Yep, keep it going. Come on, come on. I'm getting carbon monoxide poisoning. Come on, come on, come on, come on, and stop. Yo, back in the fuck. Yo, the fire's. Oh shit! Pull the wheel, pull the wheel. No, it's not.
It's not fire. We'll be fine.
Oh my god.
That's great footage.
What was that?
Oh, I'm so happy it's not on fire.
Look, it got stuck.
Bro, I told you. Oh, I should pressure test this. Oh, the reservoir's got a hole in it. Wow, it smells like cat piss now.
Damn. Wait, let me get out of the way.
Hey, more oxygen is bad. I'm not turning on, I'm just taking the key.
Oh yeah, it just blew a big ass hole in the side of it.
It already had that hole.
Oh, for real?
That's why I wanted to pressure test it. Well, shit.
At least you got your ride in
I'm
it,
awake now.
and we have a lifted piece of metal. Another one.
You need a new tape.
What's the diagnosis, Doc?
VHR swap.
Let me just.
Hey, watch the paint.
Bing!
Yo, this got oil on it. The first wash since I got it.
Cooling bath.
Yo, look at this shit.
Yeah, I got that on video.
They're ass.
Yo, you missed a spot.
It's never gonna go away. You think it's gonna eat at my paint?
The infinite water droplet. Dude, we almost dropped this fucking bike. Oh, that's funny. Well, dude, we almost dropped this mint condition, perfectly fine bike.
Wait, show them that.
Mint. That was.
I'm taking it home tonight.
I'm taking it home tonight.
I just want to see the cuts back on that.
No fucking way. Nissans might be cool.
Don't lie to yourself.
Alright, well, that was adventurous.
We drove it not even a mile.
Holy shit.
Fucked. Wait, there's no... What is that?
Alright, humped and signed bumper with grill for sale right now.
I need a hammer.
Oh shit, you actually bought a real deal brand new battery.
Inspection. Oh, fucked.
Alright, well, while he does this, I need to get to work on this. So, time lapse. Boom. All right, I got the reservoir out of this thing. Got the bumper over there. Alan's finally blown his motor in his blown motor G35. We got the bikes back in here. Oh fuck, there's a lot of them. Well, there's not a lot, it's just 4. And what is he doing out here?
Look, I found their home.
He's drowning ant.
They're all the way up
Holy
here.
fuck. Ah, fuck. Are they actually crawling on me?
Yeah, I think they are.
But yeah.
I'm gonna spray on the inside.
We're gonna get the fuck out of here. There's a bunch of, it's fucking dark in here, man. Light, turn on. We're gonna get the fuck out of here for tonight and go buy some shit. So, deuces.
When the motor is blown, it's gonna be called G status.
Cause it's gonna be like his infinity. Insert clip here.
Jesus.
You're no soul too. Actually, this is not a real Nissan. This is an HR from a 350Z 2008 or 2007.
Fucking nerd.
Oh, another one. Wow, this one got off-roading wheels.
Yo,
They took the dick out the...
This is a DE, bro.
They took the dick out the thing, out the floor. Why'd they do that?
All right, guys.
Actually, we'll
This is.
see.
Don't listen to
This
this
is
nigga.
a
He doesn't know. He doesn't know
2003
Nissans like me.
first
This is a real
generation.
deal DE. This is like the. If you want to piss oil and coolant everywhere, this is the motor you want.
They don't piss coolant, bro.
This is a fucking DE. You are not fast.
I'll show you how fast I am.
We are in the Honda side. If I find anything cool from an EK, EG, huh?
I found something cool for you. They kind of pulled out the whole valve. They pulled the whole valve out. It's because it's corroded in there.
Dude, these from Honda are actually really expensive.
I know, like 20 bucks.
More. If I find anything cool that could fit on the Del Sol, I'm gonna start fixing it again.
Or the Infinity, and then I'll buy you an Infinity.
So I need to find an Infinity parts, and you'll buy me an Infinity?
Find me some cool wheels, or some like seats. I'll buy you a 350.
Bet. And then I'll sell the Del Sol.
Yeah. It's not gonna be. It's gonna be like mine. It's like a $700 project. You probably can't open it because the frame is fucked. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Flintstones and Honda.
That's what it feels like when you're actually driving one.
Yo, imagine cars were like that. That would be fire.